Don't be daunted by the thought of pruning your fruit trees. I've got a few simple tips that'll make the whole process a lot easier.
Firstly, start by removing the 3 Ds. That's any diseased, dead or damaged branches. Then look for any crossing or those growing downwards.
You can prune fruit trees to lots of different shapes, but the main idea of pruning is to open up the structure of the tree.
This will increase airflow in and around the branches, which can help reduce disease outbreaks. And pruning will also allow more light into the centre of the tree, which can help with fruit ripening.
Let's start with pome trees. That's things like your apples, pears and quince. Now these fruit on really obvious fruiting spurs, and they're the stubby little furry bits of growth you can see here. So we don't want to prune all of these off, but we do still need to shape the tree. So look for last season's growth, and that's the young, thin, spindly pieces. And we cut those back by about half to really give the tree some shape. Peaches and nectarines are stone fruit trees, and they fruit on last season's growth. That's this reddish or pinkish wood that you can see here. So we don't want to go removing it all, but we do want to trim it back so that the tree can support the growing fruit. And I want to get rid of spindly little branches like this one here that really won't be able to hold any fruit at all. And then the rest of that newish red growth, you can actually just trim back by about 1/3 or 1/2.
Make a cut just above one of these nodes and cut at an angle. If you had any fungal or pest problems last season, then it's a good idea to do a clean-up spray of eco-fungicide mixed with eco-oil. And to prevent leaf curl on peaches and nectarines, spray them mid-winter with a copper-based spray, and then again right before the leaves emerge in late winter or early spring.
So these are just some fruit tree pruning basics. And if you're looking for more information, then check out if your local nursery or garden centre has some workshops, or carry around a good book like this one when you're pruning. I know I do.